What's up mga kuys, mga atis, welcome back sa aking channel. At ngayong araw papanoorin natin bagong release na trailer ng Superman in 2025 o Superman lang na produce ng ZC Studios by James Gunn. So ito yung Ticket on Sale trailer. Yun ang title na binigay nila. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papanoorin natin yung trailer mamaya, ngayon. At maybe wait ko yung reaction ko at opinion on the said trailer. So, let's go!
Superman. The most powerful being on planet Earth. We finally meet. Now, as planned, I'll destroy you. And of course, that reporter you always do interviews with. Who raised you as a child? I'll kill them too.
No matter what you do to me, Luthor, your plans won't work.
Wrap it up.
Good luck with that.
Make a move, Big Blue. They chose him. Let them die.
Hey! Quit messing around!
I'm not messing around. I'm doing important stuff.
Hey, buddy. Eyes up here.
Okay, tayo ko napanood natin yung Ticket on Sale trailer ng Superman. So parang final trailer na rin siguro to. Kasi ilang weeks na lang to go pa bago i-release yung series. Yung movie. Okay, I'm getting hooked na dito sa series sa movie na to. Honestly, nung umpisa I was hesitant, di ba? Because I'm a Zack Snyder fan. Fan ako ng Man of Steel, fan ako ng Batman and Superman, but with this one, sabi ko, baka same thing mapapanood natin, mala Superman Return ang dating nito. But see, we're seeing a lot of things, especially dito sa Ticket on Sale na trailer. We are seeing a lot of scenes na hindi natin nakita sa mga naunang trailer, full trailer, di ba? Teaser trailer, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And ang ganda yung pagkagagawa, and hindi siya darky katulad to sa Man of Steel, sa Batman vs Superman. So I'm loving it. Medyo marami lang characters, pero it seems that okay pa rin. Mukhang hindi naman mako-compromise yung storyline nitong Superman. And the CGI, sobrang CGI galing, ang ganda-ganda ng CGI. Katulad dito nung CGI ng parang I think this is better than the CGI ng kay Zack Snyder. So good job, James Gunn. You brought something special with this Superman, new rendition of Superman. So yeah, so I'm really excited for this movie and looking forward. At hindi rin tayo na-disappoint sa bagong Superman na si Corey Smith. Andun ang cool na uniform, nakalimutan ko. So yun. So ang galing. Basta I'm really excited for this, and batas ang expectation ko, and I hope sana yung mga Zack Snyder fan dyan, nakagaya ko, please support this one. Diba? So I think this will help yung DC, yung brand ng DC na mabigyan buhay ulit, because during the time of Zack Snyder tried to yung pangating yung DCU, but unfortunately hindi siya ganun yung tinangkap. So I hope this one people will receive it positively, di ba? Kasi nga mukhang maganda itong ipinapakita sa atin ni James Gunn at ng DC Studio. So there you go. So kung nagustuhan yung trailer, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys, and kita-kita tayo sa sinehan with this movie. So there you go. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.